Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greeting my students, how are you? Our lesson for today is lesson 3, reading comprehension. The outcomes for today, inshallah, we will do the reading comprehension activities, and today, inshallah, we will learn the new sounds and spellings, the OI or the OY, in your pupils book page 100 and in your workbook page 84. Now, please open your pupils book page 100. Open your pupils book page 100. And let's read activity 1 together. Answer the questions with full sentences. What is the weather like in Orkney? What is the weather like in Orkney? We said that Orkney is very cold and windy. Orkney is very cold and windy. Question number 2. What did people use to make houses? What did people use to make houses? So let's see inside a house. We said that people make everything inside their houses with stones. With stones. So the answer is they used stones to make houses. Number 3. What did they eat? What did they eat? Let's see together. They ate lots of fish and shellfish. Sometimes there were whales. The answer: they ate fish and shellfish and sometimes meat from whales. Number 4. What did they make from whale bones? What did they make from whale bones? من عظام الحيتان. What did they make? Made toys and musical instruments from the bones. They ate the meat and made toys and musical instruments from the bones. They made toys and musical instruments from whale bones. Number 5. What did they use ceramic pots for? What did they use ceramic pots for? استخدام ceramic pots. So let's read. They made ceramic bowls for eating and ceramic pots for cooking. And ceramic pots for cooking. They used ceramic pots for cooking. Now let's see activity 2. Look at the photos of the village of Scarborough and read the labels and descriptions. Write the words. Number 1. They went from house to house. They went from house to house. What did they use to go from house to house? What did they use? We said that they built passages. They built passages to move or to went from house to house. استخدموا الممرات للتنقل بين المنازل. Number 2. These were for cooking. These were for cooking. كانت تستخدم للطبخ. What is it? Ceramic pots. Number 3. This was in the middle of the room for keeping warm. This was in the middle of the room for keeping warm. What did they had in the middle of their houses? What did they had in the middle of their houses? Fireplace. Number 4. A material for making musical instruments. A material for making musical instruments. So what's the material? We said that they use whale's bones for making musical instruments. So the answer is bone. Number 5. Pretty objects made in the workshop, like necklaces. Pretty objects made in the workshop, like necklaces. What did we call it? We call it jewelry. The jewelry like necklaces. Jewelry. Pretty objects made in the workshop, like necklaces. Jewelry. Okay. Activity 3. Listen and say the chant. Look at the spelling. ركز منيح يا ثالث بالsounds and spellings. Letters. The sound of these letters. صوت هذه الأحرف. Listen carefully.
Oh, what a voice, said the boy to Joy. But boy, what a noise, thought Roy.
Oh, what a voice, said the boy to Joy. But boy, what a noise, thought Roy.
Let's listen again and focus.
Oh, what a voice, said the boy to Joy. But boy, what a noise, thought Roy.
Oh, what a voice, said the boy to Joy. But boy, what a noise, thought Roy.
Okay, so the letters are O-I and O-Y. The letters are O-I and O-Y. الأحرف O-I, O-Y. The sound of these letters is OI. صوت هذه الأحرف OI. O-Y مع بعض بيعطيني صوت OI. OI. O-I مع بعض بيعطوني الصوت OI. OI. Voice. Voice. Boy. Boy. Joy. Joy. Oi. Oi. Noise. Noise. Roy. Roy. Now let's see activity 4. Write the missing letters O-I or O-Y. Listen to check. The first word is toy. Toy. T-O-Y. Number 2. Noise. Noise. N-O-I-S-E. Noise. Number 3. Coin. Coin. C-O-I-N. Coin. Number 4. Boy. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. 5. Voice. Voice. V-O-I-C-E. Voice. And number 6. Joy. Joy. G-O-Y. G-O-Y. Now please open your workbook page 84. Open your workbook page 84 and let's read activity 1 together. Read about Scarborough on pupils' book pages 98, 99. Answer the questions. Number 1. What did the people use to go from one house to the next? They used passages. 2. What did they eat? What did they eat? They ate fish, shellfish, and the meat of whales. Number 3. Where did they find wood? Where did they find wood? On the beach. Name 5 things they made in their workshops. Ceramic bowl, knives, necklaces, puts, and sculptures. So they made ceramic bowl, knives, necklaces, puts, and sculptures. Number 5. What did Anag do for fun? What did Anag do for fun? What did Anag say here? Painting puts is fun. Painting puts is fun. The answer is paint puts. Paint puts. Now let's see question number 2. Complete the table. What did the people of Scarborough make from? We have the objects and made from. الأداة والمادة التي صنعت منها. Objects like tables, chairs, cupboards, beds, made from stone. صنعت من الحجارة. Made from ceramic. What's the object? Bowls and pots. Ceramic bowls and ceramic pots. Made from whale bones. Made from whale bones. صنعت من عظام الحيتان. Toys and musical instruments. Toys and musical instruments. We have the objects here, tools and sculptures. Tools and sculptures were made from wood. And now let's see activity 3. Find and say the words. Then color the OY words green and the OI words yellow. Let's see the first word. The first word is coin. Coin. So color the word coin yellow. Color the word coin yellow. We have enjoy. Enjoy with OY. So the words with OY, color it green. Enjoy. Point. Point. OI or OY? Of course, it's OI. So we want to color this word yellow. The word boy. Boy. We have OY. So we will color this word green. And the word toy with OY also green. And the last word noise. Noise. OI. So color the word yellow. Let's read question or activity 4. Read the sentences. Where do OY and OI go in the words? ركزوا يا تالت في هذا السؤال حنكتشف متى رح أكتب OY ومتى رح أكتب OI. Focus. Point to the boy with the coins. OI goes in the middle of the word. OI موجودة في وسط الكلمة. Enjoy OY your new toy. OY say joy in a loud voice. So OY goes at the end of the word. OY بتأتي في نهاية الكلمة. So OI in the middle of the word. OI بتأتي في وسط الكلمة. بينما ال OY تأتي في نهاية الكلمة at the end of the word.